We're going to explore the surprisingly tricky question. What fruits start with the letter Q? It turns out there aren't many commonly known fruits that begin with Q, and this makes it a fun linguistic puzzle. Let's dive in. 1. The most common answer, and really the only one most people will readily know, is quince. Quinces are a type of hard, pear-shaped fruit that are usually cooked before eating, often made into jams, jellies, or other preserves. They have a slightly tart, aromatic flavor. 2. Now things get a bit more obscure. Depending on your definition of fruit, and how strictly you interpret botanical classifications, you might encounter some less common options. For example, some sources might list quava as a fruit. However, quava is often considered a misspelling or a regional variation of guava, which starts with a G. It's important to be precise with our terminology here to avoid confusion. 3. Another possibility, though again less common and dependent on regional variations and local names, might include fruits with names incorporating the word quince as a component. Think of a hypothetical made-up example like quince apple or something similar. However, these are not established, widely recognized names for individual fruit types. 4. We must also be careful to differentiate between fruit names and the names of fruit trees. The quince tree, for example, is clearly a name that starts with a Q, but it's not the name of the fruit itself. 5. In conclusion, while the quest to find fruits starting with Q might seem straightforward, it reveals how language and the classification of things can be complex. The overwhelming answer remains quince, a delicious, though often overlooked fruit. Any other instances are highly debated, regionally specific, or involve misspellings and informal usage. We hope this helps clear up any confusion surrounding this fruity linguistic mystery.